Are you working in architecture? Do you want faster and better design presentation? Do you want stronger idea development? Do you want a competitive edge in our field? Then this Stable Diffusion course is made for you. AI tools do not deliver what Stable Diffusion does: genuine control over your project. It does not replace your thinking, it amplifies it, so you can explore ideas faster, refine them with precision, and keep full ownership of the creative direction. Stable Diffusion is also open source and completely free to use, and you are not limited by restrictive copyright terms, which is a significant advantage. I have used Stable Diffusion in my own architectural and visualization work, not as a replacement for 3D or CAD, but as a powerful addition. In this course, I show exactly how I integrate it into real project situations, so you can adapt the same methods directly into your own practice. We start from installation, move through the user interface and prompt writing, and then into advanced workflows. You will also learn how to combine Stable Diffusion with Photoshop to gain full control over materials, light, geometry, and view composition, something most AI tools still struggle to deliver. You will see Stable Diffusion used on real architectural tasks, concept studies, early design explorations, and mood development. We explore aerial renders, exterior scenes, interior layouts, material studies, and full project transformations and refinements. We dive deep into ControlNet and learn how to lock down your project geometry, keep the design intact, and generate consistent views based on your own 3D screenshots. We explore text-to-image, image-to-image, and practical inpainting, and see how each mode supports different stages of the architectural workflow. You will also learn how to use Photoshop to control Stable Diffusion, not just as a post-production tool, but as a way to guide geometry, enforce specific materials, make realistic reflections, place openings correctly, integrate context, and shape the final visual outcome. We go through practical workflow combinations using NVIDIA Canvas, ControlNet, and Photoshop, showing how they support each other in real architectural development. You will also see how to enhance architectural visuals, manage multiple ControlNet units, create richer enhancements, and upscale visuals for professional output. Throughout the course, everything is demonstrated through concrete cases, full workflows, and realistic architectural scenarios. Not theory, not experiments, practical examples you can adapt immediately. The goal is simple: to give you an effective workflow you can use directly in your own projects. You can follow the course on your own pace and work with similar project types as the ones I demonstrate. And if you want direct feedback or help with your own work, you can book consulting through catman.dk. I have worked with architecture and visualization for more than 20 years, and I've tested Stable Diffusion thoroughly, so you don't have to. The training gives you the most essential and effective workflows, the shortcuts, and the methods that actually works. All materials are available on catman.dk after purchase. If you want the full content overview, click the More Info button on the course page. You can also explore my other courses if you want to go deeper. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside the course.